paillard di salmone scottato con insalata di arugula. One of the quickest way to cook fish is to sear it. Sear it in a pan, nice thin slice, and in and out over a salad, it's ideal. So you get yourself a nice piece of salmon on the skin. You want the skin to be there, and you want to cut the salmon on a bias because you want a paillard, a thin slice of the salmon. And whenever you cut meat thin, always hold it with your hands so you sense where the knife is going. And you just kind of, in a saw-like motion, go all the way down. So here we are, we're down, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of the skin because I want the skin to hold it together. Here I have some pieces already cut, and I have a non-stick pan, quick and easy. Season it with salt, some oil, and I'm not gonna use any oil in the pan at all. I'm just gonna coat the fish on all sides with the oil, so when it touches the pan, it's ready to be cooked. So, you know, could you put a little thyme in here? Yes, you can put all kinds of things. Let it marinate a little bit there. Absolutely. But what you do want is a nice hot pan. And let's see. Okay, so while that is cooking, I'll make my salad. For the dressing, I'll do some lemon juice, some mustard, and some olive oil. So this is the dressing for the salad. A little bit of salt, and voila. I have here some arugula. You can have any greens that you like. I like my arugula, so here it is. Let me just check the salmon. A little bit of chives, you know, whatever you have, scallions, chives, anything else to add a little bit of that oniony flavor to the salad itself and ultimately to the fish. Let's toss this. And I don't want it overdressed, you know? I'm just looking, you're tempted to add some more oil or something, but you know, if you give it time and if you mix it well, that dressing was enough for all of this. Now, I like my salmon nice and crisp. Let's see, this seems to be done. This as well. Okay. I like it when it's hot, but you can see that you can do this in advance. Serve it at room temperature. Family style, or if you're putting it on a buffet, just like this. That's beautiful. And if you're individually plating it individually, you can do just like this. Now we can just nestle the salmon on the salad, just like that. This one slipped right off. That's nice. And here, I have all three, so I'm gonna go for all three just like that. And I'm going to taste this, because I always do. So, you know, if you like the skin, the crispiness of the skin, by all means, or you can just pull it aside, just like that. And voila, a little bit of salad. Oh, I'm trying to fish up some fish. I got it. Okay, so let me taste it. Delizioso. The acidity, the spiciness of the mustard kind of really breaks into the salmon in a most harmonious way. It's delicious.